Welcome to my YouTube channel, India's Daily News Service. Today's date 14 September, date Tuesday. वर्षा ऋतु शुक्ल पक्ष भद्रपाद तिथि अष्टमी till 19 pm. विक्रम संवत 2078 according to Punimat calendar Ujjain. Today's top news. India has crossed yet another milestone in the COVID vaccination drive with the total vaccination crossing the 75 crore mark. Second, Ministry of Food Processing Industries has said that 21 food processing projects were inaugurated during Food Processing Week from 6th to 12th September as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. These projects were inaugurated by Union Minister for Food Processing Industries Pasupati Kumar Paras. Third, PM Modi will lay the foundation stone of Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh State University in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. It will provide affiliation to 395 colleges of the Aligarh division. Fourth, PM Modi also visit the exhibition models of Aligarh node of Uttar Pradesh Defence Industrial Corridor. A total of 6 nodes, Aligarh, Agra, Kanpur, Chitrakoot, Jhansi and Lucknow have been planned in the Defence Industrial Corridor. Fifth, the government has said that the minimum support price MSP approved for designated Rabi crops for 2022-23 during Rabi marketing season is higher or equal to 1.5 times of cost of production. Sixth, the Supreme Court today asked the centre to revisit its decision of not including death by suicide as COVID-19 death, even if COVID-19 is an accompanying condition. Seventh, Tamil Nadu Assembly has passed a legislation to enable admission to undergraduate course in medicine on the basis of marks obtained in plus 2 examination. Railway Minister Aswani Vaishnaw reviews various rail projects including Katra Banihal rail project in Jammu and Kashmir. Ninth, an exhibition of law-related books was inaugurated on 13 September at the campus of Allahabad High Court in the series of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration. The two-day exhibition is being organized by Law and Justice Department, Government of India. 10th, Maharashtra government appointed special public prosecutor in rape and murder case of 10th September 2021. 11th, Telangana High Court rejected a review petition filed by the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation GHMC to modify the court's order on Ganesh idols immersion that include permitting immersion of POP idols in Hussain Sagar and allow immersion procession on Tank Bund. The bench said the court could not give permission to pollute Hussain Sagar and the government should take alternate arrangements for the immersion of POP idols. 12. The Punjab CM Captain Amrinder Singh told farmer unions to stop protesting in Punjab and instead focus on other parts of India as the protests were impacting economic development of his state. 13. Senior Congress leader Oscar Fernandes has passed away in Mangalore on 13 September. He was 80 and was hospitalized for a few weeks. 14. The Supreme Court reserved interim orders on a batch of petitions seeking investigation into the alleged illegal use of Pegasus spyware to snoop civilians and journalists. 15. Light Combat Aircraft LCA Mk2 to roll out next year. First flight in 2023. The 5th generation Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft AMCA. International news. First, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said that in the face of a grave emerging situation in Afghanistan, India is willing to stand by the Afghan people just as in the past. He said to ensure that this happened speedily and effectively, India believes that the international community must come together to create the best possible enabling environment. Dr. Jaishankar said that in all, India has invested more than $3 billion for the welfare of the people of Afghanistan. India has undertaken 500 projects in critical areas of power, water supply, road connectivity, healthcare, education, agriculture and capacity building. Fourth, Indian naval ship Tabar conducted its maiden maritime partnership exercise with the Sudanese Navy in the Red Sea started on 10 September. World news. The United Nations is seeking to raise more than $600 million in aid for Afghanistan, warning the country is facing a major humanitarian crisis. Second, UN Secretary General Mr. Antonio Guterres called the humanitarian crisis in Afghanistan a looming catastrophe and said the people of Afghanistan are in desperate need of a lifeline. Third, the Russian Aerospace Forces MiG-31 Foxhound long-range interceptor was recently seen carrying a very fancy missile never seen before. Based on images from the first test, there are many predictions that this is an anti-satellite missile recovered by Russia from the Soviet-era 79 M6 missile of the ISIM program. Fourth, Bangladesh is set to introduce major changes in its educational system from 2023. Bangladesh schools not to have exams till class 3, no board exams till class 10 from 2023. Sports news. First, US Open. Daniel Medvedev of Russia lifted his first Grand Slam trophy after beating Novak Djokovic 6-4, 6-4, 6-4 in the US Open men's singles final at the Arthur Ashe Stadium in New York. British teenager Emma Raducanu clinches women's singles title. Joe Salisbury of Britain and his American partner Desiree Krogzig win mixed doubles title. Third, Britain's Queen Elizabeth congratulated Raducanu on her success and said it is a testament to her hard work and dedication. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson said Raducanu showed extraordinary skill in the game. Fourth, Social Justice and Empowerment Minister Dr. Virendra Kumar felicitated Tokyo Paralympics medal winners of the Indian Paralympics contingent. He also felicitated the coaches of the Paralympians. A cash award of 10 lakh rupees has been given to gold medalists, 8 lakh to silver and 5 lakh to bronze medal winners. Other news, US dollar, 1 US dollar equal to rupees 23.54 and in euro 101.76. Gujarat, recent changes. Gujarat capital Gandhinagar, Gujarat CM Bhupendra Patel, Gujarat Governor Acharya Devvrat. Price of gold rupees 48,480 at 10 gram, 24 carat. Silver rupees 67,800 at 1 kilogram. Petrol rupees 98.36, diesel rupees 95.80, LPG rupees 896 per 14.2 kilogram, that is domestic gas cylinders. Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex 58,177.76, Nifty 17,355.30. Facts about India. 14 September Hindi Divas. Hindi Divas is celebrated on 14 September as on this day the Constituent Assembly of India had adopted Hindi written in Devanagari script in 1949 as the official language of the Republic of India. 14 September 1949 was the 50th birthday of Bewhar Rajen Simha as his efforts resulted in the adoption of Hindi as an official language. Therefore, this day was declared as Hindi Divas. The World Hindi Day is celebrated annually on January 10 since 2006 to promote the language at the global stage. The day marks the anniversary of first World Hindi Conference which was inaugurated on January 10, 1975 by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Thought of the day, मुंशी प्रेमचंद है सेट, खाने और सोने का नाम जीवन नहीं है, जीवन नाम है आगे बढ़ते रहने की लगन का. Joke of the day, beggar, give me food, man, I will give you scotch. Beggar, I don't drink, man, I will give you cigarette. Beggar, I don't smoke, man, I will take you to horse races. Beggar, I don't gamble, man, I will get you a girlfriend. Beggar, no, I love only my wife, man, I will give you food, but first you have to come to my house. Beggar, why? Man, my wife should see and learn what happens to a person who doesn't drink, smoke, gamble and only loves his wife. So this was the joke of the day. Hope you guys have liked. Why liver in the body is required? The liver's main job is to filter the blood coming from the digestive tract before passing it to the rest of the body. As it does so, the liver secretes bile that ends up back in the intestine. The liver also makes proteins important for blood clotting and other functions. Learn Sanskrit. Sigr means quickly, turant. Nasti moolam anusadham. There is no vegetable that has no medicinal benefit to the body. So, eat green vegetables. They are always helpful. They have medicinal benefit to the body. How? What is appendix? Appendix is a thin tube in your lower right abdomen. It sits where your small intestine meets your large intestine. Normally, the appendix sits in the lower right abdomen. The function of the appendix is unknown. One theory is that the appendix acts as a storehouse for good bacteria, rebooting the digestive system after diarrheal illness. Other experts believe the appendix is just a useless remnant from our evolutionary past. What does appendix do? Your appendix is a 4-inch long tube. It is attached to the first part of your large intestine. Its exact function is unclear. Many appendectomies are used to prevent rather than treat disease. It can pose risk to our health, but so can surgery. What happens when your appendix becomes inflamed? When your appendix becomes inflamed, it's called appendicitis. It's usually caused by a bacterial infection. The infection might start in your stomach and travel to your appendix. It might also arise from a hardened pieces of feces in our intestinal tract. The symptoms of appendicitis can vary. They can include pain in the lower right part of your abdomen, vomiting, fever. Without treatment, you could develop an abscess or ruptured appendix. This can be a life-threatening condition and warrants immediate medical attention. GK Today, NCRT, National Council of Education Research and Training. It is an autonomous organization of the Government of India which was established in 1961 as a literary, scientific and charitable society under the Societies Registration Act. Function: NCRT publishes books and provides sample question papers that are used in government and private schools across India that follow the CBSE curriculum. Headquarters is located at Sri Aurobindo Marg in New Delhi. Motto in English: Life Eternal Through Learning. President, Union Minister of Education. Motto in Sanskrit: Vidya Amritamasruta. Born today: Robin Singh, former Indian cricketer. Date of birth: 14 September 1963. He represented India in one Test and 136 ODI between 1989 and 2001 as an all-rounder. He has coached the Indian Premier Leagues Mumbai Indians since 2010 and the Caribbean Premier Leagues Barbados Trident since 2013. Idioms and phrases: blow hot and cold. It means alternate inconsistently between moods and actions. Example of by sentence, you can see: he's been blowing hot and cold about the trip to US. Vedic Gyan: kindly inform if given information vary from actual facts. Lord Hanuman, biological father Sumeru king Kesari, biological mother Anjani, wife of Kesari, divine father Vayudev or Pavandev. God Hanuman is 11th or last Rudra avatar of God Shiva, devoid of Sri Rama and the leading warrior among the Vanar tribe. Sri Hanuman is also called as Anjaneya, the son of Anjana. Bajrang Bali, one with the hands and legs powerful as that of lightning, Bajrang Bali. Chiranjeev, the immortal one. Pavan Putra or Maruti Nandan, the son of wind god. Mahavir, most courageous. Kesari Nandan, son of Kesari. Hanuman with puffy cheeks. Kapishwar, lord of monkeys. Healthcare, home remedies. Note, these home tips are followed in villages or ancient traditions. It is up to you to use it or not. Drinking coconut water acts as a digestive. How? It helps in quick digestion and prevents bloating after meals. Regular consumption of coconut water also helps in maintaining the electrolyte balance in your body and thus keeps your blood pressure in control and improves digestive functions. Regards CH Naveen Kumar, Subodaya News. YouTube link, you can search this link. Telegram link if you want to join and get daily news. To join the WhatsApp group for daily news, send request at 9404807520. This is the end of our news. Annadanam param danam vidyadanam atah param annena kshanika tripti yav jivancham vidyaya. Providing food to poor and needy person is the best charitable deed, but making people learn by teaching them is the supreme form of charity. Food gives momentary satisfaction, but the knowledge will empower them to lead a satisfactory life. अन्न से हमें केवल क्षणिक भर की तृप्ति होती है. फूड गिव्स मोमेंटरी सेटिस्फैक्शन, बट द नॉलेज, विद्या, it will empower them to lead a satisfactory life. So spread knowledge. If you have liked my videos, then please like, share and subscribe this to my YouTube channel, India's Daily News Service. Thank you for watching.